I'll go over the steps that are required to create and launch an EC2 instance. So all you need to do first is go to Amazon, aws.amazon.com. Once you're there, if you already have an account like I do in this case, just sign in and it will take us to the web services screen. Here all you need to do is go to EC2 and click on launch instance. It all shows all the instances that are running right now. So I have one that's running. Just go to launch instance and I go to the quick start menu and select what kind of OS that I want. Let's say I want to create a Linux VM, and I just press select general tier depending on what kind of what reason you need the VM for. It will have like different options here, and so I'm just going to select the general purpose one. And then you can go ahead and like do all the settings for the configuration, storage, tagging, security, etc. But you can just, if you don't want any of that, you can just click review and launch, and this will create an instance for you. So the other thing now, in order to connect to this instance, you need a key pair. So you can either choose to use the same key pair that you already have, or you can always create a new one. Creating a new pair, all you need to do is give it a name, and it will download the key pair for you. As you can see, this is the private key. And you need to keep this safe somewhere so that you can use it to connect to your instance. I'm just gonna say launch instance now, and it will start launching an instance for me. I can go ahead and view the instances that are there. So there's one that's already running, and there's one that we created right now that's launching. So once all that's done, once this completes, you will have an instance that's running that looks something like this. I can always stop the instance, reboot it, terminate it. Once I terminate it, I can't use it again. So if you want to stop your instance and want to use it sometime again, all you need to do is stop and not terminate. And connecting to it is also fairly simple. So I already have one of the instances running, and all I need to do to connect to it is SSH into it. I already had created a private key for it, and this is the instance ID and everything. So once I do this and use the private key that I have, I can SSH into it, and now I'm inside of my instance. So I already created a folder in here, which has just some bash files. So I'm just going to run those and get this over with. Let's try a difficult one. Okay, palindrome. Let's try my name. And it says not a palindrome. And that's it. That's all you need to do to run your EC2 instance. Thank you.